Hello, welcome to my channel Harry. In this video, we are going to learn how to replace words in Excel. So without wasting time, let's dive into it. Here you can see my data is in this sheet and I want to replace. So suppose for Germany, I want to make it India. So in this 6 cell, I want to change into India. So how can we do it? We will go to and we will write here Control F, and you will see here find and replace. So I will go to directly in find and find what I will find it Germany, and I will change this Germany into India. And here if I just click this replace and it will change. I will change this replace all, and you can see all done. We have 5 replacements. There are 5 text that has Germany and we have changed into India. So in this way you can replace it, and if you want to find all, you can find by all. But find next, there is no any India but Germany. But if I choose here India and here I will find, you will see my cell is choosing. Whenever I click this find next, I will choose, and if I find all, you will see, you can see here my in which cell this India is located, in cell C3, C5, C7, C8 and C11, and the value is India. So for this, if I want to change India into Nepal and click here replace all, this all India are converted into Nepal. So in this way you can replace any text in Excel, and I hope you found this video helpful. Please subscribe to my channel to get more daily updates, and I will